You are looking at our 16W UV lamp designed to replace the LightTech lamp in bactericidal UV units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. The power is 16W. Operating current is 0.4225 A. The power of radiation is 5.7 W. Dimensions: lamp length 320 meter, arc length 219 meter, tube diameter 50 mm, base diameter 90 mm. The service life is 11,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety in transit and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for any germicidal UAV units: lamps, quartz covers, block power, gaskets and connectors. On the inner surface of our lamps is brought a special compound UVL-LivePower Plus, developed by our engineers. It prevents the silica glass from penetrating the ruti-tuti molecule, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.